Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Dune Sport Custom Toy Haulers. Today we have a 26-foot H2 model, which is our front and bedroom handicap accessible toy hauler. We've got a wheelchair lift here behind this door. This is a shorter 5-foot tall door and it's 4 foot wide. And it's paired with a Braun Millennium lift. So you can use this remote here like I'm using. It also has a joystick, which you'll see here in a bit, for someone in a wheelchair to use that to go up into the trailer or out. We added a second entry door here towards the front and the bedroom. A 21-foot awning, some exterior storage here to get access to underneath the bed. Got your 200 amp hour AGM battery in there, your generator. This is a flipped axle trailer, so it's got a triple step to the bedroom. All of the entry doors and baggage doors have magnetic catches to make it super convenient. Out here in the rear, we've got a patio kit with the fencing. This swings in. We do have an awning above with built-in LED light. A ladder here that takes you to the roof. 30-gallon fuel tank for the generator. Two 5,200-pound axles with road armor, shock-absorbing equalizers. We've got 100 gallons fresh water here, along with a combined 100-gallon gray and black tank. We've got a rinser here for the black tank and gray tank. A built-in 4,000-watt generator here. It can run both the air conditioners, one in the bedroom, one in the living quarters. This is our charcoal exterior finish with man cave logos. Electric tongue jack. We've got a propane tank cover. A light here up on the front nose cap to see at night. A battery cutoff switch. And this trailer came out beautiful, weighing only about 7,500 pounds dry. So let's take you inside the trailer and show you all the magic. Here's the joystick I was talking about. You can take yourself into the trailer. You've got solar controller and your air conditioning controls there. You've got a driver's side loaded kitchen here. So a 3-burner cooktop with oven and your stainless steel, a DVD player, tank heaters, tankless water heater, fuel gauge, single basin sink, nice and large, day-night shades for the window, a 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge to hold all your groceries. You have a 40-inch TV here in the ceiling that folds down with a push of a button. An overhead cabinet here on the passenger side with a flip-up piano hinge counter here for more counter space. Floodlights have dimmers. And in the rear here for furniture, we have a queen bunk that's pinned up above, and then opposing sofas for the bottom bunk. So let's put out this awning. You've got a 21-foot awning here on the passenger side, covers the whole side. And taking you back here to the patio, you've got that second awning above. This is a Crossbreeze screen wall, so it keeps the bugs out. Just rolls up into a roller. Super nice, convenient. So again, you got opposing sofas here for your bottom bunk. This does roll into a queen size bed. So you'd have 2 queens below. Again, we got that top bunk pinned up. Day-night shades in every window. So that TV is centralized in a location where you can see it from these sofas or the patio. You got full depth drawers. A big 3-foot door here with a lever handle. A fantastic fan in the ceiling here. You got a toilet, a roll under vanity, custom medicine cabinet that fits in the corner for the customer, and a porcelain toilet, and a 4-foot roll-in shower here with an adjustable shower head. So this one does remove, and then you can move that up or down on that pole. We have a pocket door entry here to the bedroom. So this is a 3-foot pocket door. Just slides on over, closes it off from the bedroom. And then you just push this button here to slide it open and strap it back into position. A nightstand here next to the bed, full pull-out drawers below, wardrobe closets. Over here you've got a taller one and a shorter one. Another air conditioner in the bedroom here with an overhead cabin on that driver's side wall. So this is a queen size bed. You do get access to underneath the bed on every one of our bedroom models. Start and stop a generators right here. Air conditioning, TV here at the foot of the bed. So we'll go ahead and stop that generator. And just looking at this trailer and walking through it, you know, it's very easily accessible. Getting to the living quarters, patio, bathroom, bedroom. So someone in a wheelchair can get through this trailer very easily. It's lightweight, it's half-ton towable. So it may just be the perfect trailer for you and your family if you're looking for, you know, sleeping 6 people and wanting to get out there and go camping again. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.